Tecash is one of Mexico's pueblos mágicos, a mystical place in the heart of the Yucatan Peninsula. It's a land of syncretism, a mix of Maya legends and Christian traditions. It is also home of the Aluxes, ancient spirits that live in underground caves and act as a guardian of the land. Maintaining balance with Mother Nature here means keeping the Aluxes happy and well-fed.
Hetzlum. Hetzlum is a Mayan tradition where we ask permission to the Mother Earth, to God, and also to the Aluxes.
Los aluxes son los duendes. Son unos duendes que te van cuidando. No son malos, son traviesos. Son los dueños de la tierra que te están pidiendo una ofrenda para que ellos coman y se tranquilicen. Está en una tierra maya y una empresa así que venga de fuera, para nosotros es grato que sigan nuestras tradiciones. Para nosotros ese simple altar tiene mucha importancia.
Kontoor always puts its people first. And we do this tradition because it's important for them and also for us. Doing this, we respect them, we respect the tradition, and also it's like a good luck for us, for the production, for the company. We are really trying to balance everything. Balance business, balance culture, balance people, and making this all come together in a positive way.